Anthony put on this music himself and he's dancing.
Dancing, keep dancing, Anthony.
It's a special dance move. He's like a teenager. He would refuse to put down the volume despite several requests from Daddy.
Anthony.
Now he's finally listening. Right, Daddy? You on camera, Daddy? Is he listening to you now?
Yeah.
Dee da. Dee da. Da 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 da.
Không hối tiền đâu mà mình.
Want to do your dance?
Okay, Rosemary, come here. Be on this video for a little bit. Okay, now Rosemary, just about to turn 12 days old, is calmly listening to the music now. She's waiting for her dinner. Well, her dinner before she goes to bed is about 10 o'clock, before 10 o'clock. Okay, you're much calmer tonight, Rosemary.